Here I'm in National Guard Infantry up in Michigan. The 2nd 293rd Infantry Division, 38th Division. We're taking off in the helicopters now. That's the lake over there at Grayling, Michigan. The Command Pilot Jones. All the choppers going out for a mission, an infantry mission. I'm sitting right in the door, on the outside door there, see it? All the jeeps lined up and trucks going out, artillery. You can see my knees there for a second. More trucks going out. Taking a shadow of the chopper. How's that for photography work? Here we cleared out of the choppers now. Laying down in the bush.